Welcome to Cafe No Man. Welcome to our reaction to Motorhead. We are going to react to the song Brotherhood of Man. I guess we need this. We need the brotherhood of man, sisterhood of women. We need it all around the world right now. While we are still struggling, fighting with the coronavirus one that came from Wuhan now, just before the year could end, the English strain added to the feather of
The
coronavirus.
very deadly English coronavirus.
Yeah.
Our prayers are with the people of UK and all over the world, wherever it has
But
already
I
spread.
was getting to USA.
Yeah.
What is happening? What is happening? Brotherhood
Very sad,
of
very
man.
sad. Yeah, a lot of racial injustice, lot of. It's a banana republic right now.
Crisis.
I hope common
Full-blown
sense
crisis.
prevails and all this looting, this theft, this rioting, all this violent protest in different parts,
Shouldn't be calling
which
protest.
isn't even covered nowadays. So that's how bad it is. When we hear it from relatives, friends, and clients,
Yeah,
there,
and they are worried.
you know how bad it is actually. So they are not even allowing the media to come in and cover things properly. So that is how sad it has become. Anyway, so our prayers are with all the locals there, all the American crowd. We definitely need more brotherhood around the world. Brotherhood, sisterhood, humanhood for a change. Motorhead is going to tell us about the brotherhood of man. Let us listen to Motorhead's version of brotherhood of man. Let us know about Motorhead, how their name came about, so that we can know them a bit more inside and out. Oh, it's a
You're in the zone, right? You're in the zone.
Wow, this was crazy. This was crazy. This was really, really
I like
good
it.
to listen to. Hardcore lyrics, hardcore vocals, hardcore guitaring, great drumming. It's like a classic song. It's a shame, it's a real shame that more songs like this are not created with the great history and the lengthy history of colonial rule, colonization, conquering other lands, spilling blood, raping people, looting people. It's a shame that most songs like these aren't there. Aren't there. And that just shows there is actual brotherhood of man. Because despite whatever has happened,
Let's hide it.
people still tolerate those people today.
Yeah.
The ones that did all this. They still tolerate them. So that
And
itself
by the way, it
shows
still
the great
continues anyway.
brotherhood.
It
So
still
it
continues
completely
anyway.
goes against the lyrics, whatever I'm saying about this song. Great song. It's good to see someone standing up, having the balls, having the courage to write a classic like this and calling a spade a spade. Not too many musicians are gutsy enough or ballsy enough to do this. So hats off to them. And let us know about Motorhead and what their name is about, so that we can know them a bit more inside and out.
Money, wealth, and lust. We are driven by all of them. I like this song. I definitely like this song. And as Savi rightly said, we are both from India, and why I don't understand why do people think that we should be thinking like an American or English and giving a perspective of a song from those point of views. Yeah. When we are from another part of the world.
Point of view.
Yeah. So, yeah, both the S has to go. SS have to go. But we've had a different history, we have had a different story, you have had a different history, and you have had a different story. You will have something else to tell, and we will have something else to tell altogether. It is not going to match, definitely not going to match when we have been on two sides in the past. And that's what it is. I listen to this song and I actually say kudos to Motorhead for bringing it up. Kudos to them for just showing the mirror to those who did that. And even today things aren't that different when we read the comments and when we read the what should I call, racist mindset of the people, or that colonial mindset
Colonial
of the,
mindset.
yeah, of
More
the,
than racist, it's colonial.
colonial, imperialistic.
Maybe it comes from the colon.
Yeah, imperialistic
Than from the rather from the
mindset
colonies.
and thought process
it's
of the
colonial
people as if they own
mindset.
us, and they own our minds and they own our bodies and they own our mouth, what should we talking and what should we not talk about and things like that. It still is happening. Back then it was happening at the point of the gun, by scaring people, physically harming people, physically killing people, physically disarming people. But now it is happening mentally belittling people, insulting people, mocking people, ridiculing people about their own background, about their own country, about their own culture and their belongings. So it is still going on, but in a different way, in a psychological warfare way. So it hasn't stopped yet, and who knows when will it stop? Who cares? I don't care, because I'm not going to stop fighting back. Isn't it?
Yeah.
And to
What
say
about the
end,
vocals? Do you have anything to say about
I
the
like
vocals?
that. I like that.
The guitar,
I like what was done
the
with the
drumming,
song.
anything?
I like what was done with the song. Again, one principle that we follow here in India, it's Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Ahankar and Dvesh. 5 things. If you are away from it, maybe this human race won't be a disease on this planet. But I think 5 things are very difficult for people to follow. Just to translate it, it is lust, as mentioned in the song. It is anger, not mentioned in the song. It is greed, mentioned in the song. It is ego, not mentioned in the song. And it is jealousy, which is filled all over.
True. Yeah, so that's it for this one. Really enjoyed listening to it. Hardcore stuff. It's a great request.
It is fun.
Yeah, definitely would like to know more about Motorhead. How did this name come about? Does it stand for something? I'm not clear at all. I don't think either of us are.
Motorhead is moving ahead, something like that.
Even the last time I
Working.
wanted to ask it, but somehow it slipped my mind. Let us know how this name Motorhead came about. Let us know more about the vocalist and the guitar player, the members of the band. Are they still around? Are they still alive? I think the vocalist has passed away, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
His name is Lenny something.
Okay.
So I think he's passed away, but are the others still around? Are they still? Do they have a new vocalist? What's
when
happening?
you ask about the band that we are reacting to, that's the last thing that we see in the comments. I don't understand, what do people expect? We are two people from India listening to music, enjoying the music, spreading the word about it,
Which
sharing
is
our
not from our
experience.
comfort zone.
Yeah.
Music. This is not
This
music
is not our kind of
that
music.
I ordinarily
Yeah.
would listen to.
And it's not-
I have been raised on a lot of music from the West, to be honest, but I've not listened to
And
Motorhead
look,
at all.
look at the
Really,
fandedness
in my
of
life.
certain people, that they expect us to do all of it and they don't want to do any of it in their comments, which is from their part of the world, which is their band, they connect with it, they associate with.
What are
Why
you
is
listening
that?
to? What do you know about these bands? Let us know for a
You're
change.
too busy putting us to down.
Yeah, you're too busy telling us how to
What
do
to
things
do?
and what to say.
Why not you start doing?
Why not you share some of your gyan, your lengthy gyan about all these bands, about all the songs, about everything in general about your part of
We
the
are
world.
not hired to be
We
PR of these people.
We would love to listen
I'm
to
sure
it.
you're not too.
And if not us, at least others from your part of the world would love to listen to it. The Brotherhood of Man, it starts with you as well as with us. So do your bit and please share something about Motorhead. And what do you have to say about this? It's very interesting to hear an Englishman's point of view on this topic, since probably this sounds like a song for them. So, what do you have to say as an Englishman? Are you going to pretend to be an Englishman in New York or an Englishman in Mumbai? We'll wait and see when we go through the comments, maybe after a few days' time. That's it for this one. And our prayers are, again, if I've not already mentioned it, our prayers are with you. Our deepest sympathies for your losses with the deadly, very deadly English coronavirus in your neighborhood. Our prayers are with you. It's also come to India, by the way, already.
Yeah.
And we are already dealing with it.
Yeah.